Are you planning an international household move from San Francisco, California? Maybe you are relocating for work, moving closer to family, retiring overseas, or starting a new chapter in another country. Whatever the reason, one thing is clear. Moving your household goods overseas is not the same as a local move across the Bay Area. You need more than boxes and a truck. You need an international moving company that understands professional packing, ocean freight, air freight, customs paperwork, delivery coordination, and the details that protect your belongings from door to door. That is where SDC International Shipping comes in. SDC International Shipping is a licensed international moving company serving customers in San Francisco, the Bay Area, throughout California, and across all 50 states. We specialize in door-to-door international household moves, helping individuals and families ship their personal belongings safely and professionally to destinations around the world. For many people, the hardest part of an international move is not knowing where to begin. Do you need a full container or a shared container? Should you ship by sea freight or air freight? What documents are required? How should fragile items, furniture, artwork, or valuables be packed? And who coordinates the move after the shipment leaves California? SDC helps make that process clear. First, we review your move details, including your origin, destination, shipment size, timing, and any special items that need extra care. Then we explain your shipping options in simple terms. For larger household moves, sea freight is often the most practical option. Depending on the size of your shipment, your belongings may move in a full container or as part of a consolidated container service. For smaller shipments or time-sensitive items, air freight may be an option when speed is more important than volume. Next, SDC helps with professional packing and preparation. International shipping requires stronger packing standards than a domestic move. Your items may be handled through warehouses, terminals, customs inspections, ports, vessels, and destination delivery crews. That is why professional packing matters. Furniture, dishes, electronics, artwork, and fragile items need the right materials and the right handling from the beginning. SDC also helps customers understand documentation and customs requirements. Each destination country has its own rules, and having the right paperwork prepared early can help reduce delays and confusion. And because international moving involves more than one step, SDC coordinates with trusted destination partners to help manage the process after arrival. Here is a simple example. A family in San Francisco is moving overseas with furniture, kitchen items, clothing, books, framed artwork, and personal belongings. Instead of trying to figure out freight, packing, customs, and delivery separately, they work with one international moving company. SDC helps them plan the shipment, pack the household goods, prepare the inventory, arrange the freight, and coordinate delivery at destination. That means fewer unknowns, fewer moving parts, and a clearer path from their current home to their new one. SDC also offers helpful services for more complex moves, including artwork and specialty shipping, marine insurance options, and climate-controlled storage when your move-out and move-in dates do not line up. And if you are shipping a vehicle, SDC can help only when the vehicle is shipped inside a container, together with your household goods. SDC is not a standalone car-only shipping company. The goal is simple. You should feel confident that your household move is being handled by a company that understands international logistics, not just local moving. So, if you are searching for the best international moving company for household moves in San Francisco, choose a team that can guide you from planning to packing, from freight to customs, and from pickup to final delivery. Choose SDC International Shipping. To get started, call SDC International Shipping at 877-339-0267 or visit sdcinternationalshipping.com. SDC International Shipping, helping San Francisco families move their household goods safely around the world.